What is going on, guys? Today's video we have the Jeecoo G80 wireless headphones. This is a gaming headset for under $70. You can get it on Amazon. I'll throw a link in the description. It has RGB shifting lighting, 10 hours of playtime, 2.4 gigahertz. Meaning, yes, this does have a dongle, so keep that in mind in case you are wanting to not have it. This does come with the USB Type-C cable. It comes with the dongle itself, which is made out of plastic. All of it feels kind of cheap, to be honest. This is a cable here for a wired connection for your Xbox, mobile devices, everything else like that. Has a built-in microphone and a mute button as well, so you can easily quickly access that. This is the headphones themselves, and very nice and sleek modern white and gray combination, made out of a polycarbonate. Very good quality on there. Headrest has some cushion here, not very good, but the plush on the headphones themselves are fair, so I really like that. Very flexible, so you will not break these at all. They're very flexible. I'm really surprised on that. You can see the drivers within the ear cuffs there as well. You can remove the ear cuffs, so you can do repairs or add more cotton or whatever. This has left and right branding, so you can easily differentiate between the left and the right. All the media controls are on the left side, so you can easily power on, access the volume, and mute your mic all on the left ear cuff. So it's very simple. Press and hold the on button to be able to turn on RGB and your headset itself. All right, let's take some time to look at the RGB. Let's appreciate it real quick. Very subtle look, but it looks pretty nice. Once again, I did mention that everything is on the left side of the ear cuff, so you do have multiple ports here. So you have the external jack there, you have the microphone, little cover here, USB Type-C, and an indicator as well, so you can easily have everything on the left side. I would have preferred to mix it up and put some stuff on the right side, like the charging port or something else like that, but here's the microphone itself. I haven't showed it off yet. Surprisingly, it is detachable, obviously, and it's supposed to glow. I'm not too sure on how to actually operate that, but on the listing it says it glows. I don't know, but here it is. This is what it looks like. Very good. It extrudes out 1.5 meters from your mouth. All right, so setting up the product here is just basically plug it into your compatible device, Nintendo Switch, PS4, Mac, Windows, anything else like that, and it'll automatically connect to the dongle. You go to your settings, change the audio format, and you can easily change the volume and everything else like that. Very simple, very easy to know how to do that. So let's go ahead and blast it up, and we're going to show you the sound quality. Alright, testing 1, 2, 3. This is the audio test of the Jeecoo G80 wireless earbuds headphones. So this is what they sound like, and this is what you can expect, as you can see. So let me know your thoughts in the comments down below and what you think about this headphones. Jeecoo G80, thanks for sending it out to me for review. If you want to see more big gaming headsets out there, I will be doing some more high-end versions for the Xbox Series X and everything else like that. I will be having a 1-year out coming soon, as well as some accessories for the Xbox stereo headset wireless. So stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys in the next one, and we out.